stealth camp in the ancient city of Magnesia. Here we are. It's looking fairly secure in there. Lots of cameras. I'm going to try to find the hidden part. The ancient Olympic Stadium. Okay, apparently the stadium is down this little road. This is such a pleasant little lane. What beautiful orchards. Stadium this way. Worst comes to worst, I guess I could stealth camp here. Nice little structure. This isn't looking promising. I've made it to the stadium. Check it out. Looks very cool, but it's fully fenced off. The gate's closed and it's bristling with security cameras. If I can't find a good spot, I'm gonna have to go find another place to camp. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful place. Looks like stealth camping here is a no-go. That's a shame. Alright, I'm gonna go find another place to camp. I'm gonna go check the antique teatro. And if that fails, well, maybe I'll come back to this house. Maybe I'll find something else. I want to find something soon though, because it's starting to rain. Okay, just got to find a nice flat spot to set up my tent. Alright, this is going to have to do, because I need to hurry up and set my tent up before everything gets soaked. Oh, okay, I got it set up. Nice. Now I get to hear the beautiful pitter-patter and stare out on the teatro. Not too bad. I'm not sure how long this rain's gonna last, but I'm gonna enjoy it. Nice. Time to chill. Gonna make some tea, warm up a bit. I like this little gas light. This little gas light's really comforting. And it's nice to warm your hands over too. Shout out Claire Bear for giving me this idea. Alright, that's signaling sundown. It's always good to hear the azan for Maghrib because you know that's exactly when the sun sets. Changes every day. I'll be having dinner soon. Let me break out my little light. kind of a cacophony, especially when you're equidistant from a couple towns and the mosques are competing. But it's a real vibe. Ooh. Maybe that's not the best technique. Much as I'm not a fan of Nestle, you can't really avoid their products, so I'm going to try this stuff. I actually don't have any spoons or cutlery. It's kind of an oversight. I'm going to use this cable tie to stir it. It's nice this is a 3-in-1. It's got creamer in there, so technically I'm having milk at Magnesia. How about that? That's nice and warming. Gotta love it. Got you all wrong, Nestle. I guess you're not too bad after all, huh? For dinner, I got this kufta sandwich. It's got kufta, lettuce, tomato, onion, and mayonnaise and ketchup. Hell yeah. Also got this. These are incredible. They're so good. Cappy mixed juice. Oh. Nectar. Pure nectar. If you ever come to Turkey, have these. So good. Certainly wasn't the best technique. Look at this. It's completely burnt a hole through the mosquito net. That was a bit stupid. I'll do it with the lighter next time. See you in the morning. Good morning. That was a long and cold night. My big jacket got a bit damp when I was setting up, so I wasn't able to wear that in the night. I made it through okay, but it makes me realize how woefully underprepared I am for wet weather. Like if it was raining right now, I don't know what I'd do. Everything would just get soaked. This makes me imagine some kind of council of elders sitting around the circle, staring in on you, scrutinizing you. What's in here? I really love these claw feet. They're such a great feature. And these marble seats are in such great shape. At least what's left of them. I wonder what happened to the rest. Maybe they got scavenged for building materials throughout the Middle Ages. All right. Time to pack up and get moving. Man, look at this. That's terrible. I'm gonna have to patch that up with some gaff, which I don't have any, so I'm gonna have to go to a hardware store and find some. Damn, that's terrible. Last time I set off a bunch of gas and then lighted on fire in the middle of my tent, huh? The sun is just starting to peek over the horizon, so I think I should move my stuff over into the sunshine. Maybe help the water evaporate a bit.